Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a get ready with me video for y'all today on this look right here. Just kind of an easy, I don't know, peachy, a little bit bright cheek sort of a makeup look using Too Faced products. So this is a full face of Too Faced makeup. And yeah, I thought it would be fun to just get ready with y'all today on camera. If you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do get ready with me's, new at the drugstore, reviews, favorites, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are doing this makeup, a little get ready with me video using Too Faced products, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's jump in. So I've already applied my skincare, so I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30, Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint, and Porcelain is the closest color match to me that I have. It's still a little bit deep, but I can make it work, so I'm just going to apply this with a brush and get this all over my face. I really, really like this. I mean, if you're looking for just kind of a lighter, more effortless looking foundation type product or skin tint, I think you'd really like this. It just looks really pretty on the skin. Not over the top. I like how it applies. I mean, you can see how easily that went on. So pretty. So there's the bottom half of my face versus my forehead. So you can kind of see with the product on and without. I think it's just so pretty and skin-like. I like this a lot. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Cream Puff as my eyeshadow primer. So just going to get the tiniest little bit of this and put this on my eyelids. This is really full coverage, so you need just the tiniest little bit if you're going to use this kind of on your lids as a primer. For brows, I'm going to use this Superfine Brow Detailer in Taupe. We'll see if this is a good color match for me, but it's just a tiny little brow type brush. Not brush, product. Oh yeah, this color matches really well. Bronzer, I'm using the Mirror On. Smells so good. This is the Natural Chocolate, but all their bronzers smell so good, all their chocolate bronzers. Yeah, I think that totally worked. I think that's a good color match for my hair color. So I like that little tiny kind of a detailer product, so you can get pretty good, kind of like, I was gonna say accuracy. What's the word? You get what I'm saying. You can really kind of get in there and get the brows done. Okay, let me come in a little closer for eyes. Okay, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Italian Spritz palette. So pretty. What do I want to do? Let's see. First, I want to set my eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I'm going to first set my eyeshadow primer with the kind of matte cream shade down here and just kind of get a quick little dusting, or really set my concealer since that's what I used as my eyeshadow primer. This palette is so pretty. Really nice quality. Smells good. Kind of smells, I don't even know how to describe it. Like summertime or something. Okay, I'm gonna use this one right here, which is called Spaghetti About It. That's so cute. And I'm gonna apply this all over my lid and into my crease. Switching brushes, that was a little scratchy. Okay, there we go. Okay, go back over my brow bone with that same cream shade, just to kind of clean that up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to use this one right here on my lid, just with my finger, at least starting out. Kind of put this on sort of the inner half-ish of my lid. Then I'm going to go in with a brush to kind of add a little bit more and get a little bit more precision than I can with my fingertip. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I could add more colors and whatever. I could, you know, use a setting spray to make that even more metallic, but I kind of want to keep it a little bit softer. So that's what I'm gonna do. So for liner, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and apply just a little bit of this, tiny bit of a wing. And yeah, I like this liner a lot. It's a good one. I like how that side looks, so let's see if I can make this one match. Yeah, there you go. Just wanted a tiny little bit of a lift just to kind of lift my eyes a smidgen. Okay, now for mascara, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara. Love this mascara. Like volumized lashes. I was going to say like vavoom. Yeah, just like intense, pretty lashes. My battery's blinking at me, so we will see how long we can go here. Okay, now I'm going to use the Born This Way, again, the concealer in Cream Puff for under my eyes. And again, a little bit goes a long way with this concealer. So I like to apply just a little bit, and you can always go back and add more. I like to start in the inner part of my under eye where it is the most intense. I mean, look at the difference. Good grief. Where it's the most intense with the shadowing. So start there, and then I kind of blend out, and I'm kind of barely touching. A bit more around my nose, kind of get some redness around my nose, a little bit on my chin, tiny little bit here. I don't know why, just maybe for a little highlighting, a little bit more coverage. I really like this concealer. It has a great formula, it blends well, really nice coverage to it. I mean, you can almost use it like as your main face product, you know, like if you just don't want coverage all over your face, but you just need coverage in certain areas. I mean, this works great because it blends really well. It's just a good formula. A little bit more on my fingertip, just kind of right in the darkest areas, just kind of tapping that. Okay, now to set that, I'm going to use the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And just going to open this up and use this mainly in my T-zone, but then, you know, obviously bring a little bit out to the outer part of my face, but I like to concentrate it more just right in my T-zone. My battery ended up dying in the middle of that, so if the angle changed, that's why. But yeah, this powder is really pretty. Has a nice formula to it. I feel like it is good at smoothing, looks nice on the skin. Just pretty, just a pretty setting powder. Okay, I got it on the T-zone. Now just a light dusting on the rest of my face, just very lightly. I love Too Faced chocolate bronzers. I think they're just beautiful. They smell amazing. The packaging is gorgeous. So I'm going to use the Natural Chocolate Cocoa Infused Healthy Glow Bronzer, and this is in Golden Cocoa. I mean, look how cute. It's so cute, and it smells amazing. So I'm just going to get a little bit of this for a little bit of shape to the face. Nothing major, just a tiny little bit. Blush, I'm going to do a little combo, but I want a bright cheek for sure. So I'm going to use 2 of the Cloud Crush Blurring Blushes. That's hard to say. I'm going to first use Candy Clouds, this beautiful bright pink, and then I'm going to do a little pop of Watermelon Rain, just kind of on top, just a little bit more, but I do want a bright, fun cheek. I like this eye look too, because it's not crazy over the top. Look how pretty this is. That's gorgeous. That is so happy and fun. It's such a cute pink. I love it. I really like these blushes because I feel like they are versatile and buildable. They really are not a difficult to work with formula. But if you apply just a little bit of it, it's not going to be over the top. You have to kind of build it up if you want a more intense cheek, but I like that. It's a very easy to work with, versatile formula. It's good. A little bit across my nose, tiny little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take Watermelon Rain. Yeah, Watermelon Rain. This one is more of a bright red raspberry watermelon sort of a color. So just going to get a tiny bit of this and put a little bit further back on my cheeks and kind of blend in with the pink. I'm kind of barely touching, very little pressure. And then I like to take my powder brush and go along the edges just to kind of soften that, kind of blend everything together. Okay, and then last up for lips, I'm gonna do a little combo. So first I'm gonna start with a tiny bit of this, just really for kind of a little bit of shape around my lips. The Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper in Puffy Nude. And then I'm going to mostly use the Lip Injection lip gloss in People Pleaser. This is so beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous, but I love this color. It's a really pretty kind of raspberry sort of shade. So really I'm just doing this for the shaping. I don't really want a lot of the color. And these do have the tingle to them, both the liner and the gloss, all the lip injection. Okay, now the gloss. This smells good too, like fruity. I love it. Okay, so there is the finished look. I love how it came together. I hope that you guys really enjoyed getting ready with me today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know down below what you think about these products, or what some of your favorite Too Faced products are. I would love to hear that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.